In this video, I'll be showing you how to subscribe your SLTV decoder. A lot of people find this so difficult to do each time their monthly subscription gets expired. I was also in that same shoe too, but I've learned, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to subscribe your SLTV decoder from their official site or app. It's very simple. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So now, there are actually two ways you can use to subscribe your SLTV decoder. The first one is by going to their official website sltvpro.com and following the steps. While the second one is by installing their app from Play Store, Metro Digital SLTV, and also following the steps that follow. And in this video, I'll be using the second method, which involves using their app because that one has an easy interface. Now, how do you do it? Just go to your Play Store, for instance, go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you see this app right here, Metro Digital SLTV. And for now, I think the app is only found on Play Store because I can't find it on App Store. So for Android users, search for the app on Play Store, download it and install it. After that, come and tap on this open to open it. If you tap, you'll get something like this and it will start to open. Okay, if the app opens, you get an interface like this. Welcome back, glad to see you again. So you can see there are two options here. You can see enter login ID and also enter password, and I think that's where most people find it difficult. Now, how do you find login ID? Now, on your SLTV decoder at the bottom, turn it at the bottom. Turn it upside down and you see right there SN serial number, and you see there are numbers, there are up to 9-digit numbers, but it starts with SB in capital letter. So come here on this enter login ID and then come here and enter those numbers. As I said, turn your decoder upside down. At the bottom you see those digit number SN, but don't write SN, so start with SB. For instance, SB, I'll come here and start with SB, all in capital letter. You can see right here, right? So if you write SB, then come right here and enter the whole 9 numbers that follow. So I'll come here and enter mine. So if you enter those digits, those numbers, so right here on this enter password, right here, come here and enter this very password right here. And the password is SLTV Metro, all in small letter, just like this. So if you enter both the password and also the ID number, come and tap on this login. If you tap on login, you can see here login successful, so it will bring you into your account. As I said, on the app, the interface is very simple. Right here you can see my name, my phone number, and the rest. And also please note, in this video I'll be blurring every personal information, my name, phone number, and also the page tag account details. Now, how do you proceed? To proceed, you can see right here recharge. Just come here and tap on this recharge to proceed. If it loads, it brings you right here, so just come here and tap right here again to continue. Okay, now when the page loads, it brings you right here. You can see we have two packages. We have gold and basic. Gold is 5,000 naira, while basic is 25. So you can see for me, I use gold always. You can see even right now I'm still on subscription. The last time I subscribed was 29th May 2026, and it will end on 28th June 2026. So I'll come here, for instance, and come here and select the gold option. If I select gold, you can see here validity month. Right here means I select 1 month. I can also choose 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. For instance, if I come here and tap here, it brings me options to select different months. For instance, I can tap on this 2, means I've chosen 2 months. You can see the amount will also change to 10,000 instead of 5,000. But for this video, I will select 1, which is 1 month, and the amount is 5,000. After that, I'll come here down here and tap on this pay now. So if it loads, you get this pop-up right here. You can see you can pay with Valve, but to make it easier, use other payment method. So come here and tap on this use other payment method, and you will get other payment method right here. You can see you can pay with Zap, pay with Vault, pay with card, pay with transfer, pay with bank, pay with USSD, or pay with OPay. You can see, right? You can cancel payment if you wish to. So in this video, I will use pay with transfer, that's bank transfer. So I'll come here and tap on this pay with transfer. It will proceed, and at this point it will generate a pay stack payment info for you, where you go to your bank, any bank, and then pay. It's still loading. Watch and see. You can see if it processes, it brings all the payment information right here. You can see transfer 5,000 naira to pay stack checkout. You can see here is the bank name, here's the account number, and here's the amount. So at this point, you can go to your bank, any bank, and then transfer 5,000 naira, the amount you choose, into this account details right here. And if you have sent the money, you can come right here and tap on this I have sent the money, and it will update, and your SLTV decoder will be subscribed immediately, maybe after some times. But if you can't pay, maybe you can cancel, or to change payment method, you can come here and tap on this change payment method down here. You can see. So it's very simple, very, very simple. And that's how you can actually subscribe your SLTV decoder. Thanks for watching, and bye.